Hello everyone, welcome to Power Electrics. Today we will discuss some most important previous year question and answer in OPSC Assistant Executive Engineer Electrical. पार्ट वन में 5 क्वेश्चन हम कवर किए थे, शुरू करते हैं 6 से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइसेस इन आवर होम्स आर कनेक्टेड इन डैश, पैरेलल, सीरीज, both series and parallel, D, none of the above. As we know, to maintain the constant voltage, we need to connect parallel in all the appliances or all the electrical devices. So, the answer is option A, parallel. Question number 7. When a current I flows through a resistance R for time t, the electrical energy spent is given by. Electrical energy spent means it is the product of power and time. So, power is the I square R and time I square RT. So, the electrical energy spent is given by I square RT. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 8. Kilowatt hour is the unit of dash. Option A, potential difference. Option B, electric power. Option C, electrical energy. And option D, electric charge. Kilowatt hour, as we know, potential difference is the voltage. The unit of potential difference is voltage. The unit of electric power is watt, and the unit of electric charge is coulomb. So we can say option C is the correct answer, electrical energy. But you know, electrical kilowatt hour means how much power is delivered or how much power is consumed in 1 hour is called as kilowatt hour. So it is specifically electrical energy. So the correct option is option C, electrical energy. Question number 9. Transformer action requires dash. Option A, alternating electric flux. Option B, alternating magnetic flux. Option C, constant magnetic flux. And option D, any of the above. As we know, transformer action is transformer is works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, or we can say mutual induction. So mutual induction or Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction is based on the rate of change of flux, magnetic flux. So the correct answer is option B, alternating magnetic flux. Question number 10. A commutator in a DC generator provides dash, half wave rectification, full wave rectification, half wave controlled rectification, full wave controlled rectification. DC generator provides full wave rectification but uncontrolled. So here there is no option uncontrolled. So we can say the correct answer is option B, full wave rectification. I will provide more questions in the next lecture. So if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos and get the notification for each videos. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then share it and like it. Thank you.